Hi. So we've come to our fourth posture within the Sivananda 12. This is Matsyasana, which is fish pose. It's another reclined posture, also opening through the chest and through the shoulders. So many options again, take your variation as you wish, and just coming down onto your backs. So taking a moment, just a few deep breaths in Shavasana here, and allowing the spine just to realign and settle. And then drawing the toes and the heels together, pointing through the feet, engage the legs, draw the abdomen in and engage the glutes. Many variations for your fish pose today. You can take a block and you can place that underneath the shoulder blades. So when you come down onto the mat, the block is underneath you and you're releasing the upper back onto the block. So you can stay here, or you can release the head back behind you. If the head and the neck doesn't really like that, you can keep the head looking forward. It's still going to open through across the chest and the ribcage, stretches through the intercostals. And just allow yourself to breathe and open. Another variation with this is with a bolster. That's more of a yin posture, which is also very, very opening and very relaxing. But you can also come to an active posture. And you would release the block away. Release the feet to the end of the mat. The hands come underneath the buttocks, so just lift the buttocks up, place the hands underneath the buttocks, palms face down. If it's not comfortable underneath the buttocks, just take them as close to the thighs as possible. Try and connect to the thumbs, and then rest the buttocks down onto the hands. Draw the elbows in towards the rib cage, and then press through the palms, press through the elbows and the forearms as you open through the chest. Draw the belly in towards you. Soften through the rib cage and open through the chest up towards the sky. Head may rest looking forward or back behind you. And then when you feel comfortable, you can release that head lightly and rest onto the top of the head, closing the eyes and just taking a few deep breaths here in Matsyasana. If you wish to, you can take it always a variation where you can press through the hands, lift the legs, reach the toes away, engage those leg muscles, engage the core, protect the lower back. And lower. And maybe if you wish to take an alternative posture, release the hands and the palms come up above the shoulders to connect. This does put additional pressure into the neck, so if you do suffer from any neck or injuries, just be aware of that. And then slowly release the hands down, release the head, release the shoulders, the upper back, release the feet. Just take a moment in Shavasana.